Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Catapult Rotating Bounce. Knowing how to do a Catapult Bounce already would be really helpful, so link to that in the description below. But assuming you can do one of those, we can jump straight in. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. And just like a normal Catapult Bounce, you could do more than one bounce. We're only going to do one now, but obviously if you wanted to do more and it fit the music, that would be great. So it starts off like a standard Catapult. We go back, we sweep the lady through, we get into our lean, so normal position at this stage. Now in a normal bounce, we'd come in and block the way and then send the lady back, but we're going to come in and the guy's actually going to go out of the way to the right, so the lady gets brought all the way through and back out to the lean the other side. So then we come in on the left, finish the catapult as usual, catch, return and back. So if we do it again from this side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, sweep 2, lean 3, passing your partner 4, lean 5, side by side 6, spinning 7, catching 8, returning 1 and back 2. And that is that. Let's try it to a count. Here we go. 5, 6, Catapult Rotating Bounce. We go a back, sweep, lean, pass, lean, side, spin and catch, return and back. That's it. Hope you find that one useful and fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end. If you have any comments, any variations on this you want to tell us about below, all well and good. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.